Have you been over this before? This type of
no, this is the first time I've seen it online.
Okay, so if you get the chance, try and experience it in different cars as well, because they are all slightly different. They all perform a little bit differently. So we have the benefits of the drive assist and the cameras, one off the front, one off each door mirror, help me with my positioning. Nice and smooth over the top. That's the car braking itself on the way with hill descent control. We'll get a good view of the Evoque, going over the articulations, putting the wheel up. It's not till you're on it you get the real true feeling of the gradient, do you? It's quite dramatic.
It doesn't look that high till you're on it.
You're quite exposed, don't you? And then this has just got rollers on it, and in fact with the rollers and the limited traction pad, this car performs superbly without even trying. All the systems work and allow us to drive through. If you watch the Evoque going through, to work a little bit more on it, but